Dolphins are fascinating creatures. Their minds are powerful and mysterious. Even dogs cannot compare to them in the level of intelligence. Here are 33 facts about dolphins. Dolphins are very diverse. In total there are about 40 species in the world. The closest relative of the dolphin is, oddly enough, the hippopotamus. About 40 million years ago, the evolutionary development of dolphins and hippos diverged, but some kinship remains. Even pertaining to the family of dolphin killer whales are closer to hippos than to whales. It is also interesting that dolphins are closer to humans than to any other sea inhabitants. The cognitive abilities of dolphins are so high that some scientists have long proposed to define them as non-human individuals. They consider their similar brain structure and social order to be the basis for this. Dolphins do not have the practice of courting a female. When a male chooses a particular female, he simply starts starving her until she gives in. Dolphins are among those few mammals that mate not only for the sake of reproduction, but also for pleasure. In addition, not only males get pleasure, but also females, which is observed only in pigs and primates. Dolphins have the ability to heal wounds very quickly, which they receive, for example, in collisions with sharks. Dolphins have repeatedly saved drowning and shipwrecked people. Sometimes they even drove sharks away from them. Dolphins are believed to recognize people underwater because of their sonar, which they use to identify the skeletal structure of man. Dolphins do not have an automatic breathing mechanism. Therefore, in order not to stop breathing, they must always be awake. Therefore, when they sleep, one hemisphere of their brain rests, while the other controls the process of breathing. Scientists have discovered that dolphins give each other names by whistling. Humans, black dolphins and killer whales are the only mammals whose females can survive the menopause and live for several more decades without producing any offspring. Dolphins can adapt to almost any diet. The dolphin's body is perfectly camouflaged. They have a light-colored belly and a dark back. Therefore, from above they are invisible against the dark sea, and from below they cannot be seen because their bellies merge with the light penetrating through the water column. Dolphins have hair. These are such tendrils, hairs around the muzzle. Only they do not appear with age, but on the contrary, they appear in infancy and then disappear.